So, hi, I'm Rose here, and I'm here at the Birds Paradise and heading now to the Wing Sanctuary. So, this is the Wing Sanctuary area, which at the moment you are as the moment you are looking at now. And what is this? Wow! Topan.
Wow.
It's a great hornbill. It's quite huge. It's a hornbill. So, look at that. Okay. So huge. And what else? Oh, there's this, how you call that? It's a white thingy thing. White crown hornbill. Okay. White horn. White hornbill. Oh my lord. And it's really sizzling hot. It's in the midday. Walking around here at the bird paradise. This is the black hornbill. Can you see it? Oh my gosh. It's in midday, so I'm so sorry. It's too bright for the camera. And then the rhinoceros hornbill. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Oh my lord. So you are the rhinoceros. Is that correct? Okay. So you are the rhinoceros hornbill. They're so cute. All right. So heading down over there. Oh my gosh. Sizzling hot, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, it's really sizzling hot here. Midday walking at the wow. Okay, this is a red. Okay, red hornbill. It is a Rhytixirus adulatus. Where are you? Okay, over there. It's quite small, isn't it? But guys, bear with me. What's this? Are named for the ridges of reds that develop on the cascades. Okay, walk some more. Wow, sizzling hot, guys. And what is this? Black cascade hornbill. Wow, where are you? Oh, there you are. Hi. Look at your eyes, so pretty, blue color. Oh, just looking at me. And how about you? How are you doing there on top of the tree? It's a branch, is it? All right. Okay. What else? Is anything else? Oh, there you are. Akala ko kung saan yan nag-iingay. Ito pala silang dalawa. Okay, so you are Eastern Crested Guinea Fowl. Okay. Hi. So this is the Guinea Fowl. It's too bad the sun is so bright, and unfortunately guys, it is only the day that I can take an off to visit this bird's paradise here in